Hotep, I am the Amun Osiris, the one and only undisputed God of law. We are www.deceptionstoppers.com, America's only child support education service. I am not a lawyer. This is not a law firm. We don't advocate that you don't support your human offspring. We simply advocate you made them in private, you take care of them in private. I got a very interesting email the other day, and I got this from a young man down in Charleston, South Carolina. And I was very intrigued by it because of what it states. And basically, and I'll read it, it says the above referenced case was filed on November 9th, 2017. By order of the Chief Justice of South Carolina of August 27, 2014. It was also ordered that all domestic relations cases in the state of South Carolina be disposed of within 365 days of filing. Our records indicate that no final hearing has been scheduled or requested. If this information is incorrect, please inform the clerk's office immediately. Okay? And I was going through some research and I couldn't find any House joint resolutions. All right, but it intrigued me because it says that all domestic relations cases, which child support, all right, be disposed of within 365 days of filing. Now, due to the age of this case, due to its age, this case has been scheduled for administrative dismissal on December 21, 2018. What a wonderful Christmas present to my man. All right, and incidentally, he did not use our services. I'm not exactly sure, if he filed anything, or if they just said, well, we're going to dispose of the case. All right, I'm just reading the facts that the case has been disposed of, all right, and terminated. If any party wishes to proceed with this case, they must file a written request for a final hearing with the clerk of the court. All right, and from what I was, what the young man had explained to me, all right, there was no opposition. Okay, and then it says if you fail to respond to this notice timely, then this case will be dismissed without prejudice and upon dismissal. All existing orders in this specific case, including but not limited to any temporary orders, child support and or alimony orders, shall be considered null and void, no longer subject to enforcement, and of no further effect. Any and all support arrearages will be stricken. Be further advised that such dismissal may affect and impact all other applicable marital issues, if any, involved with this specific case. Okay, and this notice is provided as a courtesy of the Charleston County Clerk of the Court. Now, I did my little recon, and this is the Charleston County Clerk of the Court. Her name is Julie Armstrong. Julie Armstrong, if you're not aware, gentlemen, and I've showed you this in many videos, the Clerk of the Court is under a contract with the 40 agency. So is the family court, the circuit courts, the judges, the sheriffs, the prosecutors, the cops. Everybody's in on it. Okay. But what intrigued me about this note here is, again, I couldn't find any particular statute down in South Carolina that was stating that, when you file for dismissal, they got 365 days to do so. However, I would like to congratulate my man. I'm not sure how he went about it, and again, he's not a client of ours. All right, so I'm not taking any credit for this. I'm not sure what he did. I'll get in touch with him later. But I just wanted to show you this is good news, gentlemen. All right, so you got people who are learning. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to assume. All right, and I hate doing that, but I'm going to assume that he put in some paperwork of some sort. I'm hoping that he did. Okay, but these cases, more and more cases are getting terminated. And more importantly, when we have courts recusing themselves and telling the child support agency, we're not touching this, all right, that means we're getting under their skin. So again, I want to encourage you, everybody, one and all, to continue to fight. Okay? Continue to put in your paperwork. All right, and continue to seek these dismissals. And more importantly, continue to study. Okay? The old cliche, then you shall learn the truth, and the truth shall set you free. There's enough truth out here, fellas. and ladies that you should be free already. Because if you know the truth, nobody can lie to you. Okay, and especially these people here, we know that they're tyrants and criminals. So I want to give a shout out to my man. Congratulations. Okay, and again, I'm not taking any credit for this. I would never do that. I've seen people make videos and saying case dismissed like they had something to do with it, knowing they damn sure didn't. All right, you know who I'm talking about. But either or, um, get your documents in, all right, and get these cases dismissed. If you're in need of assistance, you want to further your education, stop by the website deceptionstoppers.com, all right, and schedule yourself a live class. And we're going to be coming out with a new itinerary here soon. We're going to be teaching, we're going to be giving a class on so many different subjects. More importantly, my favorite one is going to be from that federal manual of child support, because that's the one that you really need to know. All right, I'm the Ahmed Osiris. Happy holidays. And again, to my man, congratulations. And I hope this dismissal serves as a beacon of hope for all you who are still having trouble. Don't quit. Don't give up. Okay? You're going to have to fight the fight. Hotep.